So it's a rich 25 by 30 garage. What I'm doing now is continuing on. I finally got the last of the AC compressor lines off. Now I'm in the process of removing the AC compressor. So in order to do that, I got a bracket right here. It's got a bolt right down here. I'm going to have to take off the power steering hoses. This one's already loose right here. All right, there goes that one. So this has got one of those funky wire clamps on it. Oh. These are sometimes kind of difficult to deal with. They like to twist. Oh man, that thing is, look at that. Oh, it's horrible. It's like dried out, hard as a rock. Almost hit it. Nope. You make special pliers for these hose clamps, but I don't have them. So I made this cut this damn daggone thing. Oops. Pulled the tube right out of there. That's just soldered back in there. So I'm glad that happened now, because otherwise later it would have been an issue going down the road. So now I need my 9/16 down here. All right. Should come off now. Ooh. Yeah, that thing's pretty hot. Alright, there's that. Now we should be able to remove this bracket. So, before I'm removing anything of these, basically I take a picture. And like I said before, whenever I put this, I'm going to put these bolts right back to where they were. And so, okay, so that one's done. We've already got those bolts out there. And then this last bolt here, it's like a through bolt, I call them, for the compressor. It's got a bolt with a nut on the end of it. Hopefully this will be the last bolt we need to remove the AC compressor off the car. And the tricky thing about this bolt over here, you don't want to lose this bolt because, or lose grip of it, because it's going to go somewhere and you're probably not going to be able to find it. All right. All right, there we go. Got it. Out of here. All right. See what we got. All right. Like I said, make the two of them up. That's why you don't lose it. So this should be the final ones to be able to remove this. Uh-oh, I think there's one more somewhere. Oh, it's right here. It's alternator bracket. All right, let's see. All right, there we go. There we go. There, so I can get to the, there's a bolt of some type right there. Save that. Well, there's another area. Here's your wire for your temperature sensor, purple wire for your temperature sensor. So the other piece of the wire is right there. So this comes off. Has a little slide. Has a little slide clip. So I like kind of mark these together. This fitting is broken, so they had it taped together. So, but that little lead, yeah, you can see it's just falling apart. So I just have to go to the electronics store and see what I can find in order to get another piece like that. But all right, we're making progress here. Some more crappity crap up in here. I'm gonna have to go and clean up in here. Basically, I don't want to use my power washer because I didn't want to go and blast stuff to the next county. So, I mean, if you use your power washer and pressure washer, man, stuff just shoots everywhere, and I don't really want that right now. So that's why I've been just using my regular hose. So, maybe the power steering. Yep, that comes up. Power steering can come off now. It's been on there since 1971. It's kind of rusted to the thing, but I have a tendency to want to remove a lot of this stuff before I pull an engine out of the way. I got to do the carburetor next, but I got to use this vacuum line right here for the power brakes. I got to take that off next, and then I got to work on the exhaust manifolds, and then the transmission line, radiator hose is already off. And then all the electrical connections are right here. The throttle linkage is right here. So that can come out of the way pretty good. So like I said, we got this. There's the electrical ground connection on the other side of the engine there that goes to the firewall. It's probably about a 10-12 inch wire. Because your negative ground goes from your battery straight to your engine block right here. And then your negative ground goes from the engine block over to there to your firewall. So, and that's your ground for your whole entire electrical system was right there. It goes from here, goes to the engine, goes over there, and goes to the firewall. Now, a lot of times when you have bad electrical problems, it's that connection over there in the firewall and then in your engine block here and over there. Clean that out. Make sure it's not rusted on the firewall. Make sure you got it good. Make sure you got a good connection. So, but as you can see, we're definitely making some positive progress. And this is an unoriginal breather cap. I don't know where this came off of. No telling up at Big Spring. This is probably off of some tractor of some kind. But I kind of applaud them, you know, because of the dirt and all that stuff up there. I kind of applaud them for having something like this on there, because it looks like it has a filtering with it too. So you're not going in any dirt or anything like that. It's getting into the engine. So, but yeah, we're making some solid progress. I'm wrenching along. So like, share, and subscribe. I like 66% of the people watching my videos haven't hit the subscribe button. I don't know why, but hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. So I'm not charging a fee or charging anything to view my videos or anything like that. So like they say, like, share, and subscribe. It doesn't hurt. All right, Rich 25 by 30 out.